In this video, I want to show you how to download building footprint dataset for free and visualize it in any GIS software. So let's get started. To do that, open your browser. Let me open a new tab, and here search for open buildings and hit the enter key. When it opens, you can see it here under Google search research. Then click on open buildings. So when it's open, this is how the page look like. Open building is a data set of building footprints to support social good applications. You can see the overview of the data here, and if I scroll down, you can see the data description. The data set contains about 1.8 billion building detection across an inference area of 58 million kilometers square, covering Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. So the current data set is in its third versions. You can take your time to read more about it here. And for each building in this data set, they included the polygon describing its footprint on the ground. So this data set has various applications. So it's very useful in population mapping, humanitarian response, environmental science, addressing system, vaccination planning, and so forth. So in this video, we are interested in downloading it. So to download, scroll up, and here you will see download here. Click on download here. When you click on it, it will automatically bring this page. And if you see the download, it's a very huge data, about 178 gig. That is very huge. However, you can download for specific grid. So downloading for specific grid is smaller. If you come to this map view, you can zoom to a particular location of your choice by holding your control key and scroll the wheel of your mouse. For example, I'm interested in Nigeria. If I want to download Nigeria, you see the number of grids that cover Nigeria. So let me download for this very particular grid. To download for this grid, just click on that very grid you want to download. It will bring the link to download the data or the grid, and you can also see the size. So click on this link to start the download. Immediately you click on it, the download will start, and you can see the download is ongoing. And depending on the strength of your network, this may take few minutes to download. So if you want to download for other grids, just come to that grid you want to download and click on it. It will give you the link to download it, and you can also see the size. Any grid you want to download, hover on it, click on it, and click on the link. So let me close this. So after downloading it, let's visualize it. After downloading, here is the file. So it is a zip file, and we need to extract it. To extract it, right click and click on extract here. It is a very large file. It will take some minutes, so wait for it to extract. The extraction is completed. Now let's visualize it in QGIS. So open QGIS. Now to bring it in, come to layer, come to add layer, and come to add delimited text layer. So here, click here to navigate to that folder where you extracted the file. And I extracted it in this folder, and here is it as a CSV file. So click to select it and click on open. When you do that, the file type is CSV. Make sure you check CSV. And the geometry definitions, come here and choose well-known text. Choose it. Then here, geometry field, click here and choose geometry. Then geometry type, click here and select polygon. You can see that the column type detection is in progress. So wait for it to read the record completely, and this may take some minutes. If I come down here, you can see the preview of the data. The record is still reading. However, you can continue to click on add, but it will take a long time, like about 10 to 15 minutes to load it. So if I should continue now and click on add, so this record reading will stop, but it will take a long time. You can see now not responding. It will take a long time for it to add it to the data view. Yes, the data is added. This took me several minutes. Depending on the capacity of your system, it may take you several minutes to hours. So because it is a large data, so it has been added. Now click on close. Now the next thing to do is to export it as shapefile. And how do you do that? Come to the building layer, right click, and come to export. Click on save as. Then make sure you choose the format as S3 shapefile. Then click here to navigate to your folder. So I'm saving it in building footprint. So let me call this building. So I can put 1 to differentiate it. Building 1, and click on save. Then click on OK. So this will also take several minutes to export it. As you can see, it's preparing to export it. It will equally take several minutes. So wait for it. Now it's at 22%. It actually takes a lot of time because it is a large data. Yes, the polygon is added successfully. This process also took me more than 20 minutes. So how long it takes depends on your system specifications or capacity. So now I can remove this. Let me remove it. Click on OK. Yes, it will try to load this shapefile we have loaded in. So it will also take some few minutes. Yes, it has been loaded. That is, the shapefile has been loaded. Now we can pick the zoom tool and zoom into a particular location to see the building footprints in that area. Yes, we can see the building footprints in this area. You can see the building footprints, and if I pick palm, I can palm around and see the building footprint. And because it is a very large data, so once you palm or load it in, it takes time to load those building footprint, just as you can see it. And if you zoom in, the more you zoom in, the faster it takes to load or display those building footprints. So in essence, this is how to download building footprint for free and visualize it in GIS. And of course, it has applications, especially if you are doing site suitability and solar energy potential or site suitability analysis. You may need building footprints for your analysis. So this is how to download it. If you like this video, give us a like and share this video. Thank you for watching.